Okay, so we've made our buttons and we've made them look the way we want them to look with the characters' names. Now we need to make the shapes into buttons that will actually take us someplace when we click them in the presentation. So let's start with Carly. We're going to click on her button, her shape that we've made, and we will go now to Insert, and we want a link. We're going to link that shape to another slide. So you can, if you want, link this to an image on the internet or a website. But in this case, we want to actually link it to a different slide in the presentation. And if you look over here, this is our slide sorter. We can tell we want it to link to the slide that says Carly. So we're going to come down here and find slide 3, Carly, or whatever you named that slide. It may not be slide 3 for you. It depends on where it is in the order of your slideshow. But you need to find the one with the first character that matches that shape that you made and connect it with that shape. You need to click on that and then click Apply. Okay, I made a mistake, so I'm going to undo that. Sorry about that. We want to actually click in the bubble, highlight the text, and then do the same steps. Insert a link. And where do we want it to go? We want it to go in this presentation to slide 3, Carly. So highlight the text so it doesn't import those words that you saw. Then we click Apply. Now there's a line under it telling you it's a live link if you click on her name, Carly. Let's do the same thing with Thomas J. So we're going to select his name. We're going to go Insert. We're going to link those words to another slide. So we need to select, well, which slide do we want? So we scroll down, and in this case, sorry about that. Went to the wrong slide. I'm having a hard time seeing it because it's near the bottom of the page. So let me try again. Insert a link. And we need to go slides in this presentation. And right here, we can grab the scrolling. I missed this last time. We come on down till we find Thomas J. There he is. And we link that to Thomas J. And we click Apply. So here we're going to select Harvey. Highlight the text. Insert a link. And we want to link those words, the words Harvey, to which slide? The one that says Harvey. And then we click Apply. Now let's see what happens. When we are viewing this slide in the slideshow, and I'm going to go live with it, and you are clicking on a button. Let me go back here. If I click on Carly, it takes me to Carly. Go back to that slide. If I click on Thomas J, it takes me right to Thomas J, as long as you linked it correctly. If you click on Harvey, it takes you right back to Harvey. Now, we need to fix this issue where if it takes me to Harvey, I'm not, and I go forward, I'm going to the next slide. I'm not getting back to this bubble slide that I just made. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make more versions of that slide so that we can get back to it each time. So go ahead and make your links on your first slide. And in the next video, I'll show you how to make the Carly slide and the Thomas J slide and the Harvey slide go back to this image whenever you need it to. All right, go ahead and work on that now.